Economic Rick. He can make a cop car one fast son of a got a can of maze, cop cars and plays. Crown Rick fixing out his face.
Big shout out to all my channel members. Bam, thank you guys so much. You guys are actually funding this video. Thank you so much. I am super excited, guys, because today we're going to be searching this 2012 Chevy Caprice 6-liter V8. This is a PPV, which stands for Police Pursuit Vehicle. We're going to be searching it for goodies, weapons, guns, equipment. We're going to try to figure out where it came from, where it's going. We're going to try and find that biscuit. All right, so it looks like we have a Unity spotlight. It's got some antennas here. Somebody tried to rip that off, unfortunately. And I love how it says 50 in the top, just to let you know. And look at this antenna. Holy crap, it's bigger than my hands. It's got some code 3 brackets. Ooh, look at that. It's still got the lights in there. Pretty sure the other one's on this side. Yep, there it is. All right, let's take a quick look inside. Very nice in here. But before we search that vehicle, let me give you guys an update. I'm going to be driving this to another location where they're going to be fixing the dents. We're going to paint this matte black and we're going to start the whole process. And yes, I will make a video series about this. And also, for all you guys who are worried about me getting shot, I'm totally good. I'm gonna be wearing a bulletproof vest. Just kidding, man. I'm totally kidding. We are not really going to raid Area 51. We're not that stupid. It's just a big joke. But we are gonna build a Area 51 vehicle, and we are actually gonna go to the meeting spot on September 20th. So if you guys are going there, let me know. Let's meet up. Let's take some pictures. Let's take this thing out for a spin. And let me show you what a Crown Vic with Flowmaster sounds like. Hey, funny man, can you start the car for me so I can film it? No, funny man, no! Come back! That's a customer's car. All right, let's get started with our search. I have no gloves right now because that's right, you guessed it, somebody stole them. So some type of charging unit, battery, piece of junk. Been trying to pull this out. Looks like some type of fishing. Got it. What the heck? I thought this was only something you saw in movies. You know, like the SWAT team throws it on the building and it attaches to something. Bunch of wires in there. Looks like some sort of tracking device. It's got a pretty cool center console here. A wheel-in microphone. Criminal. Oh, I didn't really think this was gonna work. That actually scared me. Criminal dropped the weapon. I don't have anybody working security today, so I have my X2 taser and my baton ready for any criminals to come at me. Hey look, share a Coke with a #1 fan. This is for you, my #1 fan. Bottle opener. Look at this. This is a gun rack for 3 rifles. Well, actually, shotgun, assault rifle, sniper rifle. That's sick. I've never seen something like this before. This is actually pretty freaking cool. Oh, and check this out. A Delta Ray. I was so juiced when I saw this. Federal Signal Delta Ray LED. Okay, so the last ones I had were all red. Let's find out what color these are. Oh, red and blue. Yeah, buddy. And this switches the patterns. Oh, nice. Love it. Look at that. Looks like there's some sort of antenna here. Let's start this beast up. System check. Ooh, nice and cold. It's only got 82,000 miles. Sick. All right, let's look under the hood. Sweet. So this is the L77 motor. Ready, set, go. Seven seconds. Woo!
I'll stop what you're doing.
All right, let's look on the other side. It's a Panasonic Tough Book docking station. Why has it got this? Wheeling Avenger Series dash light. We'll light this thing up in just a second. Police tape. What the hell? Sugar, snack. Okay, let's check the colors. Sweet mother. Let's see what's in here. Now this is perfect if you want to play a prank on somebody. Don't let a thief steal your wheels. The most stolen vehicle in the nation is a Honda Civic. Oh look, cool. It's a flex fuel. Nice. Stab-proof seats. It's a Blade Tech taser holster for a X26. Unfortunately, Lieutenant Doofus broke my taser X26 during a skit, pulled the taser out and just threw it up in the air and boom, landed on the ground. Didn't even try to catch it or nothing. We was just watching it fly up and land. Broke. Now it's completely useless. Damn, that ticks me off. Nothing under here. That's surprising. Code 3. All right, I'm gonna go get my tools real quick. These things are hot. Eagle RSA 18-inch wheels. There's gotta be something in there. Oh, well, no, there's pieces of metals going through it. Damn it. Thank you, everybody out there hoping for me to find a biscuit. I really appreciate it. Please be a biscuit. Please be a biscuit. Ooh. Ooh, look at this. That one, these are probably red and blue. An amplifier, power tamer, some sort of Motorola modem, which is still lit up if you could see. Another light over there. Two of them on this side. Battery right here. Yeah, it's weird because there's another battery right here. How many damn batteries does this car need? It's gotta be a biscuit back here or something. You know, one of those like emergency biscuits or something. It's like Cold 3 light bar. Let's test this thing out. Oh yeah, there you go, fits perfectly. Yeah, buddy, they work. All right, so, and a federal signal voice gun. Oh, nice. It's a voice gun. Press lips to mouthpiece. Yeah, don't say. Doesn't work. Probably needs batteries.
Come out of your little hole, criminal.
This thing is loud. This one. Oh, look. It's a brand new Make America Great Again hat.
This is not an exercise. This is District 76 Police. Come out with your hands up.
All right, so I got a tip. That funny man has been hiding out over here. So we're gonna go ahead and check that out. Oh, there he is. Funny man, come on now. Sue this. Medic! So shout out to all the players out there who downloaded Guns of Glory and got to level 10. Well, thank you guys so much.